Hi there, my name is Craig Hain, and I'm associated with a company called Triad Math Inc. I want to talk to you about a special report written by the president of Triad Math Inc., Debbie Goodman, and the title of it is How to Turbocharge Your Skilled Trades Workforce by Turbocharging Your Technical Training. Well, Debbie starts off with two questions. First of all, would you like to improve the performance of your skilled trades workforce? And secondly, is the technical training that you're providing to your maintenance staff falling short of your expectations? Now, if the answer to either one of these questions is yes, then you're going to find this special report of great interest. Now, Debbie points out something that I've actually taught her. Surprisingly, a large factor of this failure may lie in your maintenance staff's inability to do practical math. Because the fact is that some workers, I might even say many workers, don't really want to learn math. They don't think they really need it, but often they're just afraid of it. But the question really that you have to answer is, how much do math errors really cost your department? Well, one of the things that I've taught Debbie is that by providing your skilled trades workforce, your maintenance guys, the practical math that they really need to know, they're going to be able to learn technical subjects much quicker. And they're going to be able to understand technical manuals and documentation easier. Results of that are, they're going to be able to troubleshoot quicker and better. They're going to be able to avoid expensive mistakes. They're going to become much more productive and at the same time improving the quality of their work. And they're going to actually be able to work more independently and more safely. Now you might very well ask how I know this and who am I? Well, you may have heard of Hain Industrial Training. This is a company that I founded back in 1980. And we've been teaching many different types of courses to maintenance people all over the country for major corporations for over 3 decades. This was a little handbook we did for our electrical, electronic control technical courses. This was a notebook we used for our hydraulics and electrical controls workshop. All of these were hands-on workshops, and because, as you know, maintenance people are very much kinesthetic learners. This was our celebratory cup for our 20th anniversary, which was in the year 2000. So the question Debbie asked now is, how do you know what practical math they need to learn? Well, the facts are, I've told her what it is. In fact, I've created a very practical math program. It's hands-on. That's the approach you really have to take with skilled tradesmen. For example, the very first thing we do is we teach them how to use this TI-30XA $10 calculator. This is the most powerful power tool for a maintenance person to do. This will streamline their performance in mathematics, and we get rave reviews from all the maintenance people that take our training because they just love to learn how to use this calculator and to be able to use it. Okay, what I've done now, I've created this Practical Math Foundation course. This is an online course with videos, all sorts of, about 70 lessons. We cover the TI-30XA calculator. That's the first thing we teach them to use. That builds confidence. It gets them over their fear of math. They really enjoy it. Now, these online courses have a lot of feedback. We give them little quizzes after every lesson. They really enjoy it. Then we teach some topics out of pre-algebra, a little algebra, geometry, and trig. Topics from all of these that are practical. There's about 10 algebra topics. That's all they need. About 20 geometry topics, and again, about 8 trig topics. When they get done with this, they're going to be able to solve all the math problems that ever come up in practical math and maintenance in any subject, hydraulics, pneumatics, electronics, rigging, you name it. It's really high school math, but it's made easy because we leave out all of the stuff that's normally taught in high school that confuses people and is so unnecessary. And so this is a program we have now developed for our Triad Math, and they're now offering this to you through their website, maintenancemath.com. What I like about Debbie and Triad Math's approach is, Debbie says she's not going to try to sell you the program at all. You can't sell you something. All she can do is educate you about it, tell you what it's about. And what she's going to do, Triad's going to offer you a 30-day money-back, no questions guarantee, full satisfaction guarantee. So in a sense, for 30 days, it's effectively free if you decide you don't want to use it. And in fact, in those 30 days, you guys are going to learn a lot anyway. So that's what she's talking about. It's a no-risk program for a 30-day guarantee. See, when you read the special report, Debbie makes several offers to you. But one of the offers is for you to just get started on a no-risk basis. The program's $397. It's hands-on, it's self-paced, it's interactive. It takes most students about 50 hours to get through it. And you're going to get a special discount. If you are a subscriber to Maintenance Technology Magazine, which we're sure you are, and you appreciate all they're doing, Triad Math's going to give you a 25% discount off of this program. and you enter coupon code to get it, and so it's going to cost you $2.97. And then Debbie, of course, closes the special report by inviting you to call her at this number or to email her and ask any questions you might have or to discuss your unique situation. There are quantity discounts if you have lots of people to train. There's all sorts of things you might want to know, and Debbie will be glad to talk to you about it. So this is Craig Hain. I thank you for watching this video, and I urge you to read the special report and get in touch with Debbie and turbocharge your workforce.